Nikon is well known for specializing in optics, lenses, and cameras. Their product line spans everything from point-and-shoot cameras to entry-level and professional-level DSLRs with various feature sets that are aimed at specific uses and activities. In this video, we break down the top 3 Nikon cameras on the market this year based on performance and situations they will be used in. So whether you're looking for a Nikon camera for vlogging with a lightweight mirrorless design, articulating LCD screen for selfie shots, and an optional kit with useful vlogging accessories, or a Nikon DSLR with the best overall feature set, including a full-frame sensor, continuous shooting speed of 9 frames per second, and amazing battery life, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which Nikon camera will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the Nikon Z50, best Nikon camera for vlogging. The Nikon Z50 is a mirrorless camera that's particularly well suited for vlogging. It has a solid build and a comprehensive feature set with an excellent autofocus system, and delivers great images and video in a compact, highly portable form factor. In fact, the Z series is one of the smallest interchangeable lens DX format cameras around. The Z50 is sold as a body-only camera, but Nikon also offers the Z50 in a vlogger kit that includes the camera paired up with a 16 to 50mm lens kit, along with a small rig vlogging mounting plate, Rode Video Micro microphone, and a Manfrotto Pixie mini tripod. Inside the Nikon Z50 is a 20.88 megapixel APS-C format sensor that's paired with the XP6 processing engine that can shoot at up to 11 frames per second with continuous autofocusing and exposure metering. Although it has an APS-C format sensor, the Z50 has the same 55mm lens mount as the full-frame Z6 and Z7 and lets you go beyond f1.4 or f1.2 apertures to as large as f0.95. I like the fact that having the same mount as Nikon's full-frame mirrorless cameras means that the lenses are interchangeable. So as well as being able to use Nikon F-mount lenses with the FTZ adapter, you can use the native Nikkor. For vlogging, the Z50 shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second, but there's a range of frame rates available for the full HD video recording as well. The maximum rate is 120 frames per second, which is ideal for slowing down very fast action. And to capture audio, there's a mic input to enable better quality sound to be recorded using an external mic. The rear touchscreen also flips down to face forward for vlogging and is very responsive to touch, and you can use it to make setting selections and adjustments via the main or info menu. If you're a vlogger looking for a versatile mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z50 offers a good feature set, interchangeable lenses, and even has an optional accessory kit especially for vloggers that makes this camera an excellent choice. Next we have the Nikon D850, our pick for best overall Nikon camera. The Nikon D850 is the perfect do-it-all DSLR camera body for both professional photographers and ambitious amateurs. Its combination of resolution, continuous shooting speed, and 4K full-frame video makes it overwhelmingly appealing and is compatible with any full-frame Nikkor lenses, including wide and ultra-wide angle lenses. The D850's backside illuminated full-frame sensor has an effective resolution of 45.7 megapixels, outstanding dynamic range, and has been designed without an anti-aliasing filter, so it captures the finest detail possible at a continuous shooting speed of 9 frames per second at full resolution. And to contend with high-speed capture, be it stills or video, I like that the D850 comes with 2 very fast card slots, one for XQD cards and one for UHS-2 SD cards. The D850 has another trick, a silent photography mode, where it switches to its silent electronic shutter. You could shoot at up to 6 frames per second at full resolution, or at 30 frames per second at a reduced resolution of 8 megapixels. This is perfect for sports, where cameras are usually banned at key moments, or for theatrical performances and weddings, where a clattering shutter would just spoil the moment. And if you're shooting video, the D850 shoots 4K UHD video using the full sensor width. As well as regular 4K video, the D850 can capture and process 4K time-lapse movies in camera, or stunning 8K time-lapse movies with silent interval timer shooting, though you'll have to use external software to combine 8K frames into a movie. You'd expect the D850 to be power-hungry, but it's actually extremely light on power consumption. You'll be able to take about 1,840 shots or record up to 70 minutes of video on a single charge, which is rather impressive. If you want the best overall camera Nikon has to offer, the D850 would make a great choice for you. In addition to its high resolution, continuous shooting speed, and 4K full-frame video, you get amazing battery life that is among the best out there. Finally, we have the Nikon Z7 II, Our pick for best mirrorless Nikon camera. The Nikon Z50 is the high-resolution model in Nikon's mirrorless lineup and focuses on outright image quality. It stands as one of the only cameras on the market that provides a low native ISO of 64, helping to maximize dynamic range for high-contrast scenes like sunsets or sunrise landscapes. The Z72 is a full-frame camera designed around a stabilized 45.7 megapixel sensor that's paired with two XP6 processing engines that drives the eye detection and focusing in video mode and bumps up the continuous shooting rate to 10 frames per second. The Z72 has a hybrid autofocus system that has 493 autofocus points, covering around 90% of the image sensor, enabling subjects to be tracked close to the edge of the frame. For video, the Nikon Z72 can record 3840 by 2160 4K UHD video up to 60 frames per second or up to 120 frames per second in Full HD. For composing your shots, the Z72 has a QVGA 0.5-inch 3.69 m EVF and a 3.2-inch 2.1 m tilting touchscreen on the backside of the camera. And because it's a touchscreen, I like that it can also be used to set the autofocus point with a tap, zoom into images, swipe between shots, or access the main and info menus. It has two card slots. One slot accepts XQD or CF Express cards, while the other accepts SD type cards and is UHS-2 compliant. Either card can be used for storage, with one working as an overflow or backup. You can even save JPEG and RAW files to different cards. The high-capacity rechargeable battery lets you take around 420 shots or around 29 minutes of video. If you're a current Nikon DSLR user looking for a change, the Nikon Z72 is a great mirrorless alternative, and the 45.7 megapixel resolution, great dynamic range, and clean detail will make you glad you made the switch. The Z72 is a dream to use, and you can be assured that it'll cope well, even in tough environments. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.